Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's put this card together. This is one of my challenge cards, so I have a challenge video, challenge me to do a different style card, and I will try to meet your challenge. So the lovely young lady that asked me to make a long styled card and fit all my images from my two stamp sets, Unicorn Magic and Unicorn Dreamland. So I have everything fit on this card, except I lost one unicorn. I lost this cute little unicorn. He was all colored up and I was playing with the placement and then he disappeared and I have no idea where he went. So he's the only one left off of this card. So I'm going to put everything together. I took a picture with my phone so I can remember my layout if I forget. So let's do this. I have a process video of how I did this background. It looks very, very yummy. Love how that turned out. So I'm going to put some, I think I'm going to put tape glue on here. It's already warped and I don't want it to warp anymore with liquid glue. So I'm going to do that. And I want to get the tape all the way to the edges so that I can make sure it sticks down because I don't want it to be warped. I did use watercolor cardstock for this background, so it is very thick. So how many times has that happened to you? Oh my goodness, I almost ruined an image. Where you totally lost something and you knew it was just like right there and then it's gone and then you never find it again. It's like there's a black hole for craftiness. Tell me one of the strangest places that you found something that was missing. Like, where did you find it? Leave it in the comments box and I will do a giveaway. I will pick a winner and send you a prize. It's open to all international and US. So it'd be kind of fun to read your comments down below. Who had the craziest place? One time I was missing my Misty magnet and I could not find it for the life of me. And then one day I found it stuck to my scissors. It was on my scissors. But at least I found it. I don't know if I'm going to find this unicorn. If I do, he'll go on the inside of my card. Okay. So my card base measures 4 inches by 8.5. So I've never made a card this long before. It's kind of fun. You can fit a lot of images. Yeah. So that was a great challenge. Someone else challenged me to make a wedding themed card, which I have the perfect stamp set for that. It's by Avery L. I think it's called Enjoy the Journey. It's got some wedding sentiments in there. It's got a car with some balloons. I forgot I had this stuff. So every unicorn card needs some shimmer. So this is the Sheer Shimmer Craft Spray in the sparkle color, and all the sparkles at the bottom, so you have to shake it up or swirl it up to get that sparkle throughout the liquid there. I do still have some of these in the shop, so if you're interested in this product, I'll have it linked in the description box. It's really pretty. So I just covered up the edges of my base because I really didn't want that to be shimmered up. I should have thought about this before I adhered my card base. And you just spray it from a distance. So let's see if the camera's going to pick up that beautiful shimmer. That is gorgeous. Not sure if the camera will pick it up. I can't see it through the camera, but I can see it in person and it is gorgeous. So I'll let that dry and then we'll put our card together. So I wanted to share the before and after of adding some little details to my sentiment. So here's the before. It's flat. It's just cut around the word. Here I have done some doodling and I've popped it up onto some foam tape. So you could see that just gives it a little bit more life. So for the doodles, I don't concentrate on it too much, and I just add a few dots, some lines. They're not even straight lines. And then I might add some hash marks there. So it just frames in the sentiment nicely. Okay, so let's put this card together. I'm just going to lay out all my pieces so I have an idea where I want to place everything. This little unicorn is going to be dreaming about the cupcake. We've got the carousel. So I took a picture of my layout so I would remember, since there's so many images on here. So I'm going to try and do it similar, because I did like the way that looked. I want to pop up some of my images. I want some of my images popped up and some in the background, like the unicorn over the rainbow. I'll have the rainbow flat and then the unicorn popped up. We'll have the cupcake flat and then the unicorn popped up. So we'll get down the images first that need to be flat. So let's see. Okay, so I only put 3 sequins on there. I think there's enough on the card as it is. So let me get my phone so you could see the sparkle. Let's see if that works. No, it's not really throwing any light off my phone. I always see people do that, but I guess it's too bright in here. But it looks really pretty and sparkly. So this was super, super fun. I only have a few sets left of the Unicorn Magic and Unicorn Dreamland stamp sets before I have to reorder them. So they were a big hit. They're really fun to color. And they make your cards look super cute. I think anyone would love to receive a card like this. This was really fun to make this super long card like this. So I'm going to make a custom envelope with my envelope punch board. So I'll measure this out. Let's see, 4 by 8.5. So I'm going to measure that out with my envelope punch board and get the measurements to do an envelope. That would be really cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And thanks for stopping by, guys. I really do appreciate it. And I will announce the giveaway winner in my in a few videos. I'll give it a chance for everyone to leave a comment. The prize pack will be an assortment of MFT goodies. So I will just it'll be a nice prize package. It'll be a surprise. So I know you guys will love it. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.